King Birds here today at you with the first official video of the page. It's been a long time. Had the page since maybe 2012, 2014. Didn't really know what I wanted to do with it, but finally decided last night that I was gonna go ahead and basically go ahead with it and start it and see where I can go with it. But I'm here today to let you guys know a couple of background information about myself and also what's gonna be on the channel. And then we're gonna grow together, and you guys will always have a say so about what content is shown, what content is disliked, liked. I will always build a channel around you guys because it's about the fans. So basically, a couple background information about myself. Basically, everybody calls me DJ. J comes from my middle name. I'm 20. I'm from Florida, so I do know a thing or two about the hurricanes that's about to happen. Pray for those people out there who can't leave, but hopefully they get through it. But that's enough rambling about that. Um, right now I live in Georgia. This is my beautiful house. A lot of wooded areas. I hate it because it's in the boonies. Like, why? But yeah. What to expect on this channel? I'm gonna have video reactions, hair tutorials with my girlfriend. It'll be a hair journey for me because I'm just now letting my hair grow out and seeing which direction it wants to go in. I'm gonna have a lot of vlogs and then gaming. So it'll be a lot of stuff. It'll be a variety of stuff you guys might want to see, might not want to see. But you can always let me know because the channel is going to be built around you guys. And yeah, that's my neighbors over there. Got a couple dogs that like to come out. But hey, this is how it is. I got my own dogs in the crib. So I ain't worried about it. But that's enough for him about that. But yeah, signing out from your boy King Burris.